Hello students, welcome to our English lecture. We are going to start our chapter, A Question of Grammar. First of all, I want to give you a brief introduction about the author, Richmal Crampton. An extremely successful writer of her times, is now almost unknown. Trained to become a teacher, she took up writing as her profession at the age of 27. She has written more than 40 novels and numerous short stories for both children and adults. Her Just William series was much appreciated for its innovativeness and lack of sentimentality. Now I want to give you a brief introduction of the chapter. In this story, a boy named William who arranged a party for his friends but didn't set the rules. He misunderstood of a double negative leads him to throw a wild party in his parents' absence. Now let's begin our chapter with detailed explanation. It had been raining since morning. William complained of boredom to his family. He demanded or asked his father 10th time, "What could I do?" He replied angrily, "Nothing." Then he followed his mother into kitchen and asked her sadly, "What should I do?" His mother suggested him to sit quietly, but he said aggressively he could sit quietly all day. She was saying, "Couldn't you read or draw something?" Now he went to his sister Ethel, who was knitting a jumper and talking to a friend. She told William very politely to shut the door when you go out. He went out to the door immediately. Now he went to library and found that his 17 years old brother Robert was showing off his new rifle to a friend. His brother said him to get out from here. Then again he went to his mother with a bitter or angry look. His mother was waiting for tradesmen's books. He asked his mother, "Can I go outside?" But his mother denied because it was still raining outside. He thought his parents over commanding him. Everyone is having or busy with friends. His situation was pathetically. He again asked Mrs. Brown when she was counting something in her mind, 10 or 11 pence. But he was disturbing, and his mother asked him to go to your father. His father was still reading a paper, and he asked the same question again. If you have come to ask same question, he would say no. He asked his father, "Could I have a party when you go away on Saturday?" But father refused for party and said, "Don't ask these sorts of question again." His mother asked him to knit. His father looked out of the window and asked William. Rain had stopped. Now you could go outside. He came home wet and spoiled his clothes. He again asked for party, but Mr. Brown refused again. He thought he should not ask this question again for the present times. So students, this is the explanation of first 2 pages of chapter A Question of Grammar. Further explanation will be shared in the next video. Thank you for watching.